Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're cleaning your PS3 the right way. Place your PS3 on a clean flat table so you have space to work. Make sure your PS3 is powered off. Unplug the power cord from the back of the PS3. Unplug the HDMI cable from the PS3. Unplug any USB cables or accessories attached to the PS3. Gently pick up the PS3 and set it down with room on all sides. We'll start by cleaning the outside of the PS3. Take a soft microfiber cloth and wipe the top of the PS3. Wipe the sides and edges of the PS3 to remove loose dust. Do not use paper towels on the PS3 because they can scratch the surface. Now locate the PS3 air vents along the sides and back. These PS3 vents are where dust usually builds up most. Grab a can of compressed air if you have one. Hold the PS3 steady while directing light bursts of air into the vents. Keep the can upright and do not spray continuously. Blow air into the back vents of the PS3. Blow air across the side vents of the PS3. Rotate the PS3 slowly as you continue cleaning the vents. You'll probably see some dust come out of the PS3 while doing this. Use short bursts to avoid moisture buildup in the PS3. Now take a small soft brush or clean paintbrush. Gently brush around the PS3 vents to loosen stuck dust. Brush the tiny openings while holding the PS3 still. Now grab compressed air again and blow the PS3 vents once more. This helps clear out any dust you just loosened. Now we'll clean the PS3 USB ports. Use the brush to gently sweep inside the USB ports. Then use a short air burst to clean the PS3 USB ports. Next, locate the PS3 power port area. Brush around the PS3 power port to remove dust. Use another light air burst here as well. Now check the PS3 disk slot region. Do not blow strong air directly into the PS3 disk slot. Instead, gently wipe the outside of the PS3 disk slot with the microfiber cloth. If the PS3 has a lot of fingerprints, lightly dampen the cloth with water only. Do not use alcohol or cleaning sprays directly on the PS3. Slowly wipe down the entire PS3 housing again to restore a clean surface. Now lift the PS3 and check underneath for dust. Wipe the bottom edges of the PS3. Make sure the PS3 feet are clean to ensure airflow underneath. If your PS3 is extremely dusty, repeat air cleaning around vents again. Once finished, let the PS3 sit for 1 minute to allow any moisture to evaporate. Now we will reconnect the PS3 cables. Plug the HDMI cable back into the PS3. Plug the power cord back into the PS3. Plug any USB devices back into the PS3 if needed. Place the PS3 in a location with open space around it. Avoid placing the PS3 inside closed cabinets where heat can build up. Make sure there are at least a few inches of space behind the PS3 vents. Now power on the PS3. Listen to how the PS3 fan sounds after cleaning. The PS3 should now run quieter and cooler than before. If your PS3 still overheats, it may need internal cleaning or thermal paste service. But this external cleaning helps maintain PS3 airflow and lifespan. Be sure to clean your PS3 every few months to prevent dust buildup. Keeping your PS3 clean can prevent overheating and shutdown issues. If this helped, leave a comment to let others know. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cleaner PS3.